Okay, so hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, Rashmi. Good morning very much. Or we are meeting after a long time because I didn't make any conversation, so little bit nervous while talking to you. Yeah, everything it's good.
Okay. Yeah, you don't fear and a little don't nervous because na we are friend already. I talked to you at that time. I was very beginner, but you
Mhm.
also supported me a lot. Really, because of you and another means another YouTubers also they also supported me a lot. That's why
Yeah.
I am here now. I can talk to anyone person very easily.
Good to see you. Good to see you here. And your confidence and your English has improved a lot, I would say. That's why I wanted to talk with you. How much you have improved.
Okay, ma'am. So tell me, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing well, Rashmi. And what about you? How are you
Yeah,
doing?
I am also excellent. Thank you so much for asking.
Good. Okay, Rashmi, so we are meeting after a long time. So would you mind introducing yourself for my channel?
Okay, sure, sure. Definitely. Thank you so much. Obviously, as you know, my name is Rashmi Rajput. I am talking to you from Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation. This stage, I am learning English. If I talk about my profession, I am a homemaker. Simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel. That name is English with Rashmi Rajput, where I upload conversation video. Sometimes I make solo video, short video related to grammar and upload on my YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Okay, good. I really appreciate your work because you are being consistent on your channel. Although I left in between for 6 months, for 3 months, I didn't make any conversation videos. But I see you on your channel. You are being consistent and you always upload your videos on daily
Yeah.
basis.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
So could you introduce yourself, ma'am,
Yeah,
for
sure.
my YouTube channel?
Mhm. Okay, so as you know, I'm Anjali Giri and I'm mother to one kid. Okay, and about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation in B.Ed, and simultaneously nowadays I'm teaching beginner or upper beginner level students. And like you, I run a YouTube channel, Lingua Learners. It's called Lingua Learners. And about my hobbies, so I love reading books, not that much, but 2 or 3 pages I try to read. Or
Every day.
yeah, every day. Or I take my sessions. So I love teaching someone because while teaching, I learn it. And yeah, that's all about. Thanks for asking.
Okay, ma'am. Glad to hear your introduction. Very amazing. So you mentioned in your introduction you are not focused a lot on your YouTube channel. What is the reason you are not focused?
Recent year because I don't get much time, although I try to record videos, but in between, just because of views sometimes, or just because of my time management, so I left
Hmm.
it. But yeah,
Hmm.
the consistency is a major role if you want
Hmm.
to create your YouTube channel or if you want to grow it.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Hmm. It's
we
right.
will.
You know, consistency means a lot in our life. Anything's not our channel. If you want to grow in anything's like, so consistency is matter a lot.
Right. So how is your YouTube experience?
Yeah, I can say it was good experience. Every day I upload, I got some views, I got a lot of motivation. It's very important for me. You know, when I started my English journey, at the time I was very nervous. You can see at the time I was not able to connect with someone, connected with my eyes. At the time I feel a lot of hesitation. What because of YouTube channel I upload video continuously on my YouTube channel, then I got a lot of confidence and I reduce my own hesitation. Now I can talk to anyone person very happily. So I am very happy about that my YouTube channel. Because of that I can speak English very. I can't say good, but I can speak.
Yes, good. Because that time I talked with you, I think it's been a long time. That time you were a
Hmm.
very beginner level student, but now you have improved a lot. So, what is the
Yeah,
secret behind this?
You know, because na, at the time, recently I started my English journey from zero level. I didn't know really at the time. I didn't know anything how to talk to with someone, how to explain any sentence. I was very, very beginner. I can't explain how much I was beginner.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know.
Uh, at
So,
the time, I didn't know understand what someone asked me, but only I got it something. After that, I used to reply them.
good. So, what is the secret behind it?
Um, uh, Nothing important secret, but every day I practiced a lot. That's why I improved a lot. You know, without practice, we can't improve anything. So whatever we want, practice makes perfect everyone. So
Hmm.
that's why at least we should practice. If you don't have much time, we should at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes every day. Then we can improve a lot.
Mhm. So, what do you do to improve your language? Do you do your speaking practice, listening practice, or you read some books? What?
But I can say I don't have much book.
Mhm.
I don't purchase the book, but I have like I didn't purchase, but I have one book and two book only. So I read them. After that, I listen a lot, and every day I speak a lot. Hmm.
Okay.
Speaking improved me a lot. Every day I connected with like two-person, three-person. Whenever I get like I connected with them.
Good. Because while talking with someone, so first of all, we gain our confidence. Okay, we boost
Hmm.
up our confidence. And second thing, while listening and while talking, we know about our mistakes. Okay, so we can.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. One of the things I also do like every day thinking in my mind when I do something nowadays, you know, immediately English comes in my mind. If I do anything, automatically I start thinking in English. I am doing that. After that, I will do. Then I am cooking some food, anything, whatever I want.
Okay, can you give me one example? If any beginner comes to you, okay, or he or she says, "Ma'am, I want to learn English, but I don't know anything. I'm just at very zero level." So, what
Mm-hmm.
suggestion would you like to give that person?
Mhm. Yeah, you know, I can say who want to learn English from zero level, like me. So first of all, they don't fear hesitation while making mistake. You know, when we start something new, first of all, we start hesitation and fear. Oh, I can't do that. It's very difficult task for me. Don't have environment. I don't have any English partner. How can I speak English? How can I start? First of all, we shouldn't think. After that, we should start small, small sentences, small, small word. We should start with our level.
Okay.
What's our level? You know, our level is zero level, so we should start with small, small things. After that, we can improve day by day if you first of all believe on ourselves. Then
Right.
I can do it. Be never ever we shouldn't be like I can't do every time we keep in our mind I can do everything because we are human being. We can do everything whatever we want. So
Hmm.
that's why when I started my English journey, also keep these things always I keep in my mind. I can learn English anyhow. I it will be take, but definitely I will learn.
Good. If
It
your
was my
desire,
passion, still my passion. It was my passion. I want to learn English anyhow. If I
Mhm.
do hard work, I will do hard work.
Good, good. If your desire is at high peak or your discipline, your confidence, everything,
Yeah.
and you're not giving up in between. So
Uh,
you can do everything.
Yeah, we should never give up. Like someone also start with energetic, confident. After some time, after 1 month, 2 months, they give up. Stop. They're thinking
Mhm.
about we can't learn this language. It's a cup of tea. But you
Mhm.
know, first of all, we should make everything piece of cake. After that, we can learn very easily. No
Yes, good.
problem.
Good. Okay, Rashmi. So many students, or I have like many beginner level students, they always ask, can I become fluent in English within 2 months, within 3 months? So I guarantee them. So do you think so? Can we become fluent in 3 months or 4 months if we are upper beginner level students?
So you also give them guarantee. You can teach them within 2 and 3 months. They can
Yes.
become fluent.
And apart from this, I say it's up to your practice. If I am
Huh.
saying do your practice for 1 hour, that means 1 hour. And if you are not
Hmm.
doing it consistently, then you cannot become fluent in English. Because
Yeah.
although we say I can make you fluent within 6 months or within 4 months, but if you are not doing your practice, that result will never come.
Exactly right. I can say if we do hard work, we can learn. It's a real, literally. But if you don't hard work, we can't learn. Depend on ourselves how much we give time to learn anything.
Mhm.
Without give time, we can't learn. Everything takes time.
Right.
So that's why, otherwise, I can say not fluent, but within 3 and 2 months, we can speak English very confidently if you practice every single day without give up any day with consistency.
Right. So, Rashmi, ma'am, my last question is can we
Don't
become.
say I am already told you.
Okay, no issue. Okay, Rashmi, tell me, my last question is that if you are taking guidance from someone, or on the other hand, if you are doing self study, you are learning this language by your own, okay, like
Hmm.
self learning. So, do you think so? Which one is most beneficial if we are doing it?
If you want to learn English on ourselves, uh, first of all, we have to listen more and more.
Right.
After that, we get a lot of birds. Some birds also get again and again. After that, we can understand this bird. I also got next video. Sorry, last video. Again, I am getting. So that's why we can get a lot of birds day by day if you listening more. And speaking also best, very very important. And another, if you don't have environment, nowadays we don't need environment, we don't need any partner. We can also learn anything from social media. We can get a lot of partner over there. We feel also we don't have an environment surrounding, so we don't need.
Right.
If you are village people, rural area, so we can learn.
Good. Okay, what is the environment of your side in your village? You always say you are from village area. So, what do you feel when you speak in English and people listen to you while talking in English?
Mhm. Some people also ask me how did you learn English like that? We can't believe you can speak English because I come from village area, rural area. So there is no English environment. No one here speak English. Everyone speak only our native language. Like my native language is Hindi language. So we don't also use proper Hindi. We use local language like village language
Okay.
every time.
So, what is their reaction when listen to you? When they listen to you?
Everyone so much admire me. Oh my God, how did you learn English? We can't believe you can speak English like that. So many people also really admire me a lot.
All right. Okay, so what is your future plan? Because as I can see you, you have posted a post. You have started teaching beginner level students. So what is your future plan for this?
I want to become a good English teacher in my life, like English speaker. I want to motivate others, mostly homemakers. In my side, a lot of ladies, they also, after getting married, they thinking about we can't do anything apart from housework. We can do also only housework and kids care, but I want to provide them that things they can do everything whatever they want. If they have goal, they can improve their goal.
Right. So can you make motivated them like from rural area if you are saying please learn English, please join my classes. So can it be possible? What do you think?
No, it's not possible. If you they like watch my video, after that they get some motivation. I am from village ladies. I can speak English like that. They also get some motivation from me. Then they can also start their English.
Good.
It's not possible. If I say someone you can learn English, I will teach you. They can't stand. I know very well these things.
Because I was thinking same thing. I was thinking
Hmm.
if any like urban people or urban person, they go to any rural area person, or
Hmm.
they please learn English, so they will make laugh at you, or like
Hmm.
there are so many things they will think about it.
Right, it's right, ma'am. I can understand that they can't start, they can't, they never ever ready to learn anything from us. Like they're thinking about why should I learn English? We don't
Mhm.
need, but they don't know in future time this language. Uh, these days also this language play very big role. If you
Right.
want to provide, every housewife, if you want to provide our kids good knowledge, good education, this language is very very important for everyone.
Mhm. True, true. So Rashmi, do you have any question
Yeah,
from
I
me?
want to ask some question, ma'am. You also joined like a English ARI session. How do you join English ARI session?
Okay, simply just you have to install English ARI application. Okay, or if you want to talk with some good tutors, so I can tell you, or otherwise just go to app and book your session. Okay, or that time I was taking my session, so it was around 250 per session, 250 rupees. So you can join easily.
251 per one session.
Hmm. Right.
Okay, what types of English they also provide us?
Yeah. Actually, Rashmi, I would say if you are a beginner level student, so don't go
Hmm.
with English sharing. Okay. If you are
Hmm.
a upper beginner level students, for example, me, I teach beginner level students, so I always correct them if they make any
Hmm.
mistake. Okay, but they will
Hmm.
not. They will give you sentence structure. Okay, 4 to 5 or 10 to 12 or words. Okay. So
Hmm.
if upper beginner level students, so you can join English sharing.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I want to ask how to join and what is the benefit for us. That's why I asked because now you already joined a lot of English ARI session.
Yes. And you will get some experienced tutors. Not some,
Mm-hmm.
actually every tutors are very experienced, so you can learn from them. But if you are thinking about they will correct you at every single sentence, so it's no.
It's not. Okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Rashmi, it was a
Oh,
wonderful
okay.
conversation. Okay, we will
Yeah.
join you
Okay.
very, very soon.
Sure,
Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Same
have a good
here.